has graciously accepted our invitation to share her expertise and inspire us. As an assistant professor at MP Shah Medical College and former gynecologist at H.J. Joshi Hospital, Dr. Rachna has shared her expertise with numerous students and patients. Her private practice at Ashutosh Maternity Hospital has been a beacon of hope for many. Her achievements are a testament to her dedication. She's been nominated for Woman of the Year, received national awards from FOGSI, and been felicitated by the government of Gujarat for her social service. A prolific writer, Dr. Rachna Pandya has published over 15 academic papers and served as a review faculty for the British Medical Journal. Her hygiene and cancer awareness impacted thousands of lives. Please join me in welcoming Rachna Pandya, a shining example of excellence in medicine and social responsibility.